My digital recreational mathematics kit is designed as an interactive learning resource to support Year 3 primary school students in learning the topic of money, with a focus on addition and subtraction of money. Through this digital kit, students are able to solve number sentences involving the addition and subtraction, the value of money. The main aim of this digital kit is to help students understand how to solve money-related mathematical problems in a clear, systematic, and organized way. At this level, many students face difficulties in arranging numbers correctly, especially when dealing with ringgit and cents. Therefore, this kit emphasizes step-by-step guidance to help students follow the correct procedures when performing addition and subtraction of money. The concept of this kit focuses on transforming traditional mathematics learning into a more interactive and student-centered experience. It implements a 21st century learning approaches where students are encouraged to actively participate and construct their own understanding. In addition, this kit incorporates an inquiry-based learning approaches where students are guided to think, explore, and discover through questioning and problem-solving activities. The activities are organized progressively, beginning with simple tasks and gradually towards more complex problems. Therefore, it allows students to build their understanding step by step and applying the concepts and formulas of mathematics in real-life situations. Firstly, this kit provides visual explanations through instructional videos and illustrated notes to support students in learning how to add and subtract money using the vertical method. These visuals help students organize numbers clearly into columns method of ringgit and cent, while demonstrating how to solve problems step by step. In addition, guiding questions are included to encourage students to think about each step, helping them develop a deeper understanding rather than simply following procedures. In addition, the kit includes game-based learning activities, such as interactive quizzes which guide students through structured problem-solving tasks. The questions are designed with different levels of difficulty to support gradual learning. A supermarket-themed game is also included to create a meaningful learning experience by connecting mathematics to real-life situations. Through this activity, students will actively engage in problem-solving, making decisions and exploring different solutions while receiving immediate feedback that helps them learn from their mistakes. Overall, this digital kit helps students develop a better understanding of money concepts and improving their calculation skills. The main applications used in developing this digital learning kit is Wix. Wix is a website creation platform commonly used in education because it supports multimedia integration, flexible design, and a user-friendly interface. In this digital kit, Wix is used as the main platform to organize learning for the topic of money. Through Wix, structured web pages are created to present notes, step-by-step explanations, and demonstrations of mathematical processes. Wix also provides an interactive and well-organized learning that is easy for students to access and use at any time. Besides Wix, other tools are used to enhance the digital kit. One of the tools is Genially, an online platform used to creating interactive and engaging learning materials. In this digital kit, Genially is used to develop an interactive module that includes step-by-step explanations, activities, and practice tasks for money addition and subtraction. Another supporting tool is DeepSeek AI, which is used to assist in creating basic coding and interactive simulation ideas. It helps develop simple programming for interactive activities, including a supermarket-themed game. This allows students to apply mathematics in real-life situations such as shopping and calculating prices of items. In addition, Microsoft PowerPoint is used to create an interactive quiz as an assessment tool. The quiz includes questions from easy to more difficult levels, clickable answers, and immediate feedback. This game-like format helps increase student motivation and allow them to check their understanding of money calculations. Overall, the combination of Wix, Genially, DeepSeek AI, and PowerPoint creates a comprehensive digital learning kit that supports the topic of money. Wix is used to organize content, Genially enhances interactive learning, DeepSeek supports simulations, and PowerPoint is used for assessment. Many students face difficulties in learning money-related calculations, especially additions and subtractions involving ringgit and cents. A common problem is when incorrect number alignment, using the vertical method, which leads to calculation errors. Students also have a weak understanding of place values, particularly in distinguishing between ringgit and sen, and placing decimal points correctly. This often results in mistakes in carrying and borrowing. In addition, students struggle with complex tasks, such as calculating changes and determining the balance between the amount paid and the total cost. Another issue is that traditional teaching methods are often teacher-centered and focused on procedures. Students tend to follow steps without fully understanding the concepts. Learning materials also lack real-life context, making it difficult for students to relate mathematics to everyday situations. As a result, students rely on memorization, showing low engagement and frequently making mistakes. The lack of immediate feedback further causes students to repeat errors without improvement. Therefore, a more interactive, visual, and student-centered approach is needed, which is supported through the development of this digital kit. The objectives of this digital learning kit are to help Year 3 students improve their understanding of money calculations, specifically addition and subtraction of money. It aims to strengthen students' use of the vertical method by improving number alignment, placing value understanding, and accuracy in decimal positioning. It also helps students develop skills in carrying and borrowing to ensure accurate problem solving. In addition, this digital learning kit aims to increase students' engagement and interest in learning mathematics through interactive and multimedia-based instructional materials. This digital learning kit also develops students' 21st century skills by promoting student-centered learning, active participation, critical thinking, and the use of digital technology in math teaching and learning. The development of this digital learning kit followed several systematic stages to ensure that the content is well-structured, interactive, and suitable for Year 3 students. The first stage is the planning stage, where the topic of money was referred based on the DESC mathematics curriculum and relevant learning standards. The learning objectives were identified and the structure of the digital kit was planned according to key concepts such as addition and subtraction of ringgit and cents. The second stage is the content design stage, where step-by-step explanations were created to help students understand the topic of money. Examples using the vertical methods were developed, and practice questions together with interactive game activities were prepared to reinforce learning. The third stage is the multimedia development stage, where learning materials were created using different tools. Illustrated notes were generated using AI tools, such as Gemini. DeepSeek was used to support coding for interactive. Digital games, and a PowerPoint quiz was developed as an assessment tool. All content was organized into clear sections to improve students' understanding. The fourth stage is the website development stage, where Wix was used to build the digital learning kit. Pages, navigation menus, and layouts were created, and all learning materials and interactive activities were embedded into the website to form a complete learning platform. The final stage is the testing and improvement stage, where the digital learning kit was checked to ensure it is clear, functional, and easy to use. Improvements were made to enhance navigation, design, and overall user experience. This digital recreational mathematics kit does not rely on advanced programming, as it mainly focuses on interactive and educational design. However, AI-assisted coding are used to support the development of interactive activities such as the supermarket-themed game. Programming support is generated using AI tools. DeepSeek, which helps create simple logic for interactive money calculation tasks in mathematics. These codes simulate real-life money situations, such as adding prices, calculating totals, and determining change. These programming elements support recreational and game-based learning in mathematics by allowing students to apply addition and subtraction of money in an interactive and realistic context. The video is prepared to show the relationship between Malaysian banknotes RM and coins sen in terms of their numerical values. It helps students understand how different combinations of notes and coins represent specific amounts of money. After that, a detailed step-by-step explanation is given on how to perform addition and subtraction of money using the vertical method. By understanding this relationship and procedure, students are better prepared before moving on to interactive activities and problem-solving tasks, as it strengthens their basic understanding of money concepts. In addition, illustrated notes on the addition and subtractions of money are provided. Each explanation is supported by different visuals, examples to help students better understand the steps and reduces confusion when performing calculations. First, the digital kit is built by a digital tool. As a simulation of a real-life Family Mart platform, students can directly understand the relationship between the price of an item and the equivalent Malaysian notes ringgit and coin cents. For example, when a student adds a bubble tea RM 6.90, a glass of orange juice RM 2.80, an egg sandwich RM 7.40 and a mango pudding RM 5.80 to the cart, the total is RM 22.9. The students must then decide how many ringgits and cents are needed to pay the exact amount. The student follows 3 simple steps, which is: Step 1. Tap any food or drink item to add it to the shopping cart. Step 2. Press the Go to Payment button, then select Notes RM1, RM5, RM10, RM20, and Coins 5 sen, 10 sen, 20 sen, 50 sen to pay the total price shown. This way, the digital kit turns money learning into a clear, too much or not enough. This way, the digital kit turns money learning into a hands-on activity. Second, the kit also includes a simulation of a real-life supermarket platform. In this activity, students build money skills by acting as real shoppers as they view item prices and solve money-related problems in a real-life situation. The students follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Students need to understand the requirements of each task. Step 2. Students identify the money value of each item selected in the cart. Step 3. Students use addition to calculate the total price of multiple items and subtractions to find the change or balance. This process helps students apply real-world money skills in a safe and gamified learning environment. Besides that, Genially is used as an interactive activity to help students practice addition and subtraction of money using the vertical method. This interactive PowerPoint quiz helps students test their understanding of addition and subtraction of money through multiple choice questions. The quiz is divided into 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. In each level, students read the questions carefully to decide whether to add or subtract the money amounts. Then, they selected the correct answer from 2 options. Immediate feedback lets them know whether they are correct or need to try again. After completing all questions in one level, the quiz, it progresses to the next level. Through this project, I learned how to integrate technology, pedagogy, and creativity to develop a digital recreational mathematics kit for Year 3 students. This experience helped me understand that effective teaching is not only about delivering content, but also about creating interactive and engaging learning experiences in mathematics. As a future educator, I will utilize this experience